Hi there, my name is Jeannie and I am a professional wildlife photographer from Montreal, Canada. Thank you for joining me today for this new video where I will be talking to you about the brand new Beako Smart Bird Feeder. So this smart bird feeder is from a company called Kiwibit that are specializing in very high quality smart bird feeder. So this is the beautiful box in which the smart bird feeder comes in with its name written on it, Beako, right here on the top. Now let me read you a few of the specs that are written on the box. So the Beako Smart Bird Feeder is equipped with an amazing 4K 8 megapixel camera that captures every detail and movement with stunning clarity. It identifies visitors effortlessly with an AI-powered recognition of over 10,000 bird species. You can enjoy flexible placement with a detachable solar panel that provides extra power. You can refill the bird feeder with ease using a removable split food storage system with independent valves. So now I will read you a few of the camera features. As I mentioned before, the camera has a 4K resolution and 8 megapixels. It has a field of view of 130 degrees. It has an audio microphone. It has a solar and rechargeable battery. Now let's open the box and see what's in there. Okay, so the first thing that we have here, and the most important one, is the feeder body, which contains the very nice 4K camera right here in the middle. So here we have the dual seed hopper. It has two openings here, and it can contain up to 1.5 liters of bird seeds. So the seed container is very convenient because it is detachable from the main body, and once it is filled with seeds, you just have to insert it like this on top of the body, and now you have your smart bird feeder. The seed container is also equipped with two small doors behind, one for each compartment. You just open the little door right here, and this is how you're gonna put some seeds in your tray. So if you close it, no more seeds are gonna go down the tray, and if you open it like this, the seeds that are in your compartment are gonna go down there. So on the top of the main body, we have a removable feeding tray for birds. Very easy, just take it out like this. Underneath the main body of the bird feeder, we have a rechargeable battery. So we just open up the latch here. You pull out the battery here. And as you can see right here, you can recharge it with a USB-C cable. This is why you also have in the package a solar panel included, which recharges this battery at all times. So behind the main body of the bird feeder, you have a small silicone door, which you can open to have access to a memory card slot right here, and also to an on and off button of the camera. In this box, we have a solar panel and its accessories. We also have this nice green roof, nice green perch for birds to sit on, a very sturdy wall mount bracket, which is made out of solid metal, the pole mount bracket with a screw right here, a nice sturdy black strap if ever you would like to mount your bird feeder to a tree. All kinds of screws and hardware for you to mount your bird feeder. We also have a charging cable. Now that we have seen everything that is in the box, I will go assemble the camera with the bird feeder, and then I will also fill up the bird feeder with some bird seeds, and then I will show you how it looks like. I have decided to install my bird feeder behind my woodshed, and this is how it looks like. I absolutely love the design and the look of the bird feeder. I think that it looks really premium and well made, and I also really like the dual tone subtle green color that blends really well with nature around. So the process of building the bird feeder together with the camera and the accessories was very quick and easy for me. I only had to follow a few steps and the camera was ready to go. It was also very easy for me to attach the bird feeder to my woodshed. I only had to connect the mounting bracket to the camera and then to the wall of the woodshed, and everything was in place and secure. I've had this bird feeder up and running for a few days now, and luckily for me, birds seems to like it very much. I've had a lot of visitors coming from morning to evening, and I got very beautiful footage from this amazing 4K camera. I can't wait to show you the beautiful footage I got from it. But before I do so, I would like to say a big thank you to Kiwibit for sending this unit for me to review. This video was not sponsored, and everything you will hear in it is my own opinion.